Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel again. This is BM Gaming and today, pag-uusapan natin kung saan nyo nga ba mahanap itong temporal piece. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding kay Lord 9. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-uusapan natin kung saan nga ba nahanap or nahahunt itong si temporal piece. So, there are actually several ways on where to find temporal piece. But anyway, para saan nga ba itong si temporal piece? Now, it plays a integral part of this game because yung temporal piece is ginagamit siya pang-upgrade ng relics. Now, si relics, okay, once na na-upgrade nyo siya ng na-upgrade, let's say for example, if you are reaching a certain milestone, it also unlocks other stats. So, meron siyang main stat which is yung attack, okay, for the Origin of Destruction. Kasi tatlo yung relics guys eh. So, merong Origin of Destruction, Barrier Protection, and also yung Crystal of Life. Okay? But anyway, since lahat naman tayo is meron nito, alright, I just wanted to let you know na ito will actually give you a good amount of stats to progress in the game as well. Now, as you can see here, meron siyang tinatawag na resonance effect. Alright? So, once na ma-achieve nyo yung certain level ng relic, okay, or nakita nyo naman dito, level 31 na siya. So, meron na tayong additional na 2.5%. Now, kapag na-upgrade natin siya ng na-upgrade, automatic yan guys na mas tumataas yung percentage kasi as you can see, 50% yung skill damage na pwede nating makuha from the resonance effect alone. Now, meron pa yan ditong relic effect na tinatawag, which is, it has a base stat, which is yung attack, pero meron din siyang additional option. Now, once na ma-reach nyo din yung certain milestone, you are actually getting additional stats as well. And napakalaking bagay din ito, guys. Just because once you upgraded it, maraming factors or maraming stats yung pwede nyo ma-unlock in the game. Okay? Same thing with the barrier protection. So, they do have different stats as well. So, yung iba ginagawa or suggestion talaga nila is isang relic lang muna, one relic at a time. Alright? Pero matigas yung ulo ko, no? So, minsan nilalagyan ko din to. Alright? But anyway, mas mataas pa din naman to kasi ito yung unang relic na ma-unlock nyo sa character nyo. Okay? Now, where do you find this temporal piece? Alright? So, there are several ways on how you can farm temporal piece. Alright? Number one is by finishing the main quest. So, every time na may matatapos kayong main quest, alright, you will be able to get a certain amount of temporal piece. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki. Alright? But anyway, it gives you temporal piece to upgrade your relics. Okay? That's the first thing. The second thing is also finishing the daily missions. As you can see here guys, okay, may nakalagay dito or naka-indicate naman dito kung ano yung reward na pwede nyo makuha. And one of which is gonna be the temporal piece. Now, si temporal piece, meron siyang naka-indicate dito sa baba. Okay, nakalagay dyan temporal piece quest sa daily missions. So, usually, ang ginagawa ko guys, is temporal piece lang muna yung ina-accept ko dito sa mga daily missions natin. So, tapos na kasi tayo. Alright. So, ito yung usually na sineselect natin, mga temporal piece na quest. So, you can also go with other maps. So, dito naubos ko na. Yung mga high level yung priority natin. So, ito may isa pa pala ako dito. So, yan, kung mapapansin nyo. Alright. Temporal piece lang yung kinukuha natin dito so that we will be able to get this. Kasi yung gold and consumables, we have a lot of consumables naman sa inventory. Yung gold naman, meron pa naman tayong 2.4M. But anyway, that's gonna be for a certain topic and when to use gold as well. But anyway, ito nga, si temporal piece yung priority natin sa daily missions kasi we have a chance to either get 114 or 29. Alright, kasi chances to, kumbaga random. So, swerte yan. Kung ano yung maklik mo, and kung nandun yung 114, hindi mas maganda. But, As long as you are leveling up and you're finishing daily missions, basically you're getting the temporal piece as well. Okay? That's the second thing. Now, the third thing is, okay, makukuha nyo naman siya sa dungeons. So, mapapansin nyo dito, obtainable si temporal piece dito sa Corrupted Labyrinth first floor. Safe naman dito guys, safe pumasok dyan, hindi naman kayo pwedeng i-PvP dyan, so pretty much it's good to go. Pwede rin naman kayong mag second floor, pero I suggest that you upgrade your combat power. Dapat at least close to 23k, like siguro mga 22k or 22.5. Pero kapag medyo gap pa, baka mamatay lang kayo sa mob, so stay on your level. Okay, dito muna kayo. Kasi at least kahit pa paano, hindi mamamatay yung character nyo doon sa loob ng dungeon. Sayang kasi guys pag namatay yung character nyo eh. Okay, limited time lang yung ano nyo limited time lang yung ano nyo dito guys, yung pasok nyo dito. So, you have to make sure na hindi kayo mamamatay dito sa dungeon na to. Okay? Number 4 is by doing yung monster log. Okay? Meron kasi dito tinatawag na monster codex. So, itong monster codex, guys, you're actually unlocking these monsters, okay, per map. And you're also getting this knowledge completion reward. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kapag natapos nyo tong mga to, okay, you will be able to get temporal piece. So, from the first map, may makikita kayo ditong reward adventure token. Okay? But, pag mga maps na nandito na, like Corrupted Basin, pataas, you will be able to get this temporal piece. Okay? So, I think this is each mobs. Right? Each mob to, guys. Alright? So, pinakamagandang gawin dito is, let's say for example, you are AFK grinding and you wanted to get temporal piece as well. Let's say for example, sobrang kunat na talaga. You can actually farm in these maps just to complete the codex itself. So there is a certain number, so hanggang 10. Okay, and also you are getting additional stats as well. So it's a good thing to do while you are AFK. Okay. And then, it also gives you the temporal piece, which is what you need as well in this game. So, I think those are the ways where you can actually find a temporal piece. And sabi ko nga, very important siya for the relics. Okay? So, you can also do one-time upgrades, but you can also do, like, one enhancement at a time. So, pwede naman ganyan. Kasi, yung points naman yan is still the same. It doesn't change. Okay? But at least you have the idea kung bakit importante na i-prioritize nyo si temporal piece, especially with this because of the stats that you can unlock. Now, you can also upgrade the other. Okay? Sabi ko nga guys, pwede nyo naman itong i-upgrade kung gusto nyo ihabol. Pero mostly, ang recommended naman ng iba is isa lang daw yung i-upgrade pagdating dito sa may relics. Okay? So, yun lang naman guys. Very, very short lang naman yung video na to. I just wanted to let you know na gustong magpasalamat sa inyo guys because of the support that we received from our video. And also, I really appreciate those people who correct us when we are saying the wrong thing in the video. Again, since newbie ako guys, no, bago pa lang ako sa game, I might tend to also commit mistakes. So, pretty much that's it. That's the good thing about the community. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Yun lang naman yun guys. At least kahit paano, mako-correct din natin yung maling understanding sa game. So, yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much again for your time. And abangan nyo yung mga susunod na uploads natin. We're probably releasing more videos about improvement. Yun lang guys. And alam nyo na. Peace out.